Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to find someone on Instagram with phone number. So at first open the Instagram app. Make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. If not, go to App Store and update the Instagram app. This will make sure we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Just click on the three bar lines at the top right hand corner. Click on settings and click on account right here. Just click on contact syncing and just click on this toggle button to sync your contacts. So this will help you connect on Instagram and choose to have your contacts synced and stored on Instagram server. So what it will be suggested, Instagram will suggest you to follow your contacts on their Instagram accounts. After that, just click on this three bar line at the top right hand corner again and click on discover people. So usually if you have your contacts connected, you will find, so just scroll through this and it might show the contacts that you have on your phone with their Instagram accounts. So this is the video. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our YouTube channel.